Good evening. Skin health is not just a matter of appearance. It's a reflection of internal balance, cellular activity, and external care. Today, I want to bring your attention to a natural, effective, and clinically supported remedy for one of the most common skin concerns: dryness and aging. The skin, as the body's largest organ, operates on a circadian rhythm just like other systems within the body. During the day, it functions primarily as a shield, protecting against environmental pollutants, UV radiation, and microbial invaders. However, when night falls and the body enters rest mode, the skin switches into repair and regeneration mode. This is when the cellular turnover rate increases significantly. The cells that make up the outermost layer of the skin, keratinocytes, begin a more active phase of regeneration, pushing older cells upward and allowing new, healthier cells to form beneath. Scientific observations reveal that this repair process is governed by hormonal and physiological shifts that occur during sleep. Melatonin, often referred to as the sleep hormone, rises during nighttime and plays a vital role in skin repair. It acts as an antioxidant, reducing the impact of oxidative stress accumulated throughout the day. Growth hormone, another key player in nighttime skin repair, surges during deep sleep and contributes to the regeneration of skin cells, collagen synthesis, and tissue healing. This biologically optimized window for recovery creates an ideal time to deliver supportive nutrients topically. The skin becomes more permeable during the night due to the relaxation of tight junctions in the stratum corneum. As a result, anything applied to the skin during this period has a better chance of penetrating deeper and working more effectively. This is particularly significant when considering the application of natural oils. Oils enriched with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants can directly supply the skin with compounds it requires for regeneration. When a natural oil is applied at night, it acts as both a nutrient delivery system and a protective sealant. The lipophilic, fat-loving nature of oil allows it to merge with the skin's natural sebum and cell membranes. This facilitates the delivery of active compounds such as vitamin E, linoleic acid, and other bioactive molecules right where they are needed, into the intercellular matrix and deeper epidermal layers. In doing so, these components support skin barrier repair, encourage moisture retention, and mitigate the effects of inflammation or oxidative stress. Moreover, the skin's temperature slightly increases during sleep, further aiding the absorption of topically applied substances. The warmth softens the outermost layer of the skin, allowing the oil's active components to diffuse more effectively. This physiological state enables the oil to restore lipid balance, reinforce the skin's integrity, and accelerate recovery from daytime damage caused by sun exposure, pollution, or dehydration. Consistent use of the right natural oil at night can have a cumulative, visible effect over time. By aligning topical care with the skin's own biological repair cycle, one can enhance hydration, reduce signs of aging, and promote a smoother, healthier-looking complexion. The principle is straightforward: support the body when it is already trying to heal itself. Nighttime provides that natural window of opportunity, one that should be embraced through a mindful and strategic approach to skin care. The skin's barrier is its first and most important line of defense. Structurally, this barrier is made up of the stratum corneum, the outermost layer of the epidermis, which consists of corneocytes embedded in a matrix of lipids. This lipid matrix plays a critical role in keeping the skin hydrated, supple, and protected from environmental aggressors such as bacteria, pollutants, and harsh weather. Over time, due to natural aging processes and external stressors, this lipid layer becomes compromised. As the production of natural oils and ceramides in the skin decreases with age, the barrier function weakens, leading to dryness, flakiness, sensitivity, and a visibly dull appearance. One of the primary consequences of a weakened barrier is increased transepidermal water loss, TEWL, a process where moisture escapes from the deeper layers of the skin into the environment. When the barrier is intact and functioning properly, it holds onto water molecules, maintaining hydration levels and preserving the skin's plump, elastic feel. However, as the barrier degrades, the skin becomes less capable of retaining moisture, resulting in chronic dryness and accelerating the visible signs of aging such as fine lines, rough texture, and uneven tone. Natural oils, particularly those rich in essential fatty acids such as linoleic acid and oleic acid, have been shown to effectively replenish this lipid layer. When applied topically, these oils integrate into the intercellular spaces between corneocytes, restoring the lost lipids and mimicking the skin's own natural composition. This not only helps to immediately seal in moisture, but also supports the long-term rebuilding of the barrier function. The result is a more resilient, smoother skin surface that can better defend against daily environmental stress. Moreover, essential fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that are particularly beneficial for aging and sensitive skin. Chronic low-grade inflammation, often present in damaged or dry skin, contributes to accelerated aging and discomfort. By reducing inflammation and promoting lipid balance, natural oils help calm irritated skin and create a healthier environment for regeneration. Oils like rosehip seed, evening primrose, argan, and jojoba are commonly used because of their unique ability to deliver these fatty acids while being easily absorbed without clogging pores. In addition to replenishing lipids, many of these oils contain naturally occurring antioxidants such as tocopherols, vitamin E, and polyphenol, which help protect the newly restored barrier from oxidative damage. The synergistic effect of hydration, lipid restoration, anti-inflammatory action, and antioxidant protection creates an ideal condition for the skin to recover from age-related decline. Using a high-quality natural oil at night, when the skin is most receptive to repair, enhances these benefits even further by working in alignment with the skin's biological rhythms. Daily exposure to soaps, cleansers, and even environmental toxins can strip the skin of its protective lipids. Reintroducing these critical components through natural oils is an effective, gentle, and biologically compatible way to maintain skin health, especially for those experiencing dryness due to aging or climate. The skin is constantly exposed to a barrage of environmental stressors, including ultraviolet, UV, radiation, air pollution, cigarette smoke, and other forms of oxidative insult. These external factors generate free radicals, unstable molecules with unpaired electrons, that cause damage to cellular structures including lipids, proteins, and DNA. This process, known as oxidative stress, is a primary driver of premature skin aging. It weakens the skin's structural integrity, disrupts collagen and elastin networks, and impairs its natural barrier function. The visible results are fine lines, wrinkles, discoloration, uneven texture, and a loss of firmness. In response to this threat, the skin naturally produces antioxidants, which are molecules capable of neutralizing free radicals by donating electrons without becoming unstable themselves. However, as the skin ages, its endogenous antioxidant capacity diminishes. Coupled with increased exposure to environmental pollutants and UV radiation, this decline creates an imbalance that accelerates cellular damage and speeds up the aging process. To counteract this imbalance, topical application of antioxidants becomes a critical strategy in skin care, especially when aimed at prevention and repair. Natural oils are a potent and bioavailable source of antioxidants, particularly when they are cold-pressed and unrefined, preserving their nutrient profiles. Vitamin E, or tocopherol, is one of the most studied and effective antioxidants found in plant-based oils. It plays a key role in protecting cell membranes from oxidative damage and has a stabilizing effect on the skin barrier. When applied regularly, oils rich in vitamin E help strengthen the skin's resilience, reduce moisture loss, and support a healthier, more youthful appearance. In addition to vitamin E, many natural oils contain polyphenol, plant compounds with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These include flavonoids, phenolic acids, and tannins that work at a cellular level to block the chain reactions triggered by free radicals. Polyphenol not only protects skin cells from damage but also help modulate inflammatory pathways, reduce redness, and support skin repair. Oils like pomegranate seed, grapeseed, green tea seed, and marula are especially valued for their high polyphenol content and ability to deliver lasting protection against oxidative stress. The benefits of these antioxidant-rich oils are further amplified when used at night. During sleep, the skin shifts into repair mode, increasing its permeability and cellular turnover rate. This means antioxidants applied in the evening are more readily absorbed and can function more effectively in neutralizing the accumulated oxidative damage from the day. These compounds help prevent the breakdown of collagen and elastin, two key proteins responsible for skin structure and elasticity, while also promoting cellular repair and regeneration. By incorporating antioxidant-rich oils into the nightly skincare routine, it is possible to provide the skin with the external defense it needs to combat daily environmental assaults. This proactive approach not only reduces the risk of premature aging but also promotes a clearer, smoother, and more vibrant complexion. The consistent use of these oils helps the skin remain healthier over time, preserving its natural glow and functionality despite the unavoidable exposure to modern-day stressors. Collagen is a vital structural protein that provides the skin with strength, firmness, and elasticity. It forms a dense network within the dermis, acting as a scaffold that supports the skin's outer layers and maintains its youthful appearance. As the body ages, the natural production of collagen gradually decreases, starting as early as the mid-20s. This decline accelerates with age and is further compounded by external stressors such as ultraviolet radiation, pollution, and poor nutrition. The breakdown of collagen results in visible signs of aging such as sagging, fine lines, and a loss of skin firmness. Fibroblasts are specialized cells located in the dermis responsible for producing collagen and elastin. Their activity is essential for maintaining skin integrity and repair. However, with aging and repeated exposure to environmental insults, fibroblast function diminishes. Stimulating these cells becomes an important goal in any effective anti-aging skincare approach. Certain plant oils have demonstrated the ability to activate fibroblast activity and enhance the production of collagen through their rich content of essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and bioactive phytochemicals. Among these oils, rosehip seed, sea buckthorn, and tamanu oil are notable for their regenerative properties. These oils contain high levels of linoleic acid, alpha-linolenic acid, and vitamins A and C in natural forms. These nutrients are known to influence cell communication, support wound healing, and stimulate the dermal matrix to regenerate collagen fibers. When applied topically and regularly, such oils can help improve skin density and texture by encouraging the skin to rebuild its own support network from within. In addition to direct collagen stimulation, these oils help reduce the breakdown of existing collagen fibers by inhibiting the activity of enzymes such as collagenase and elastase, which degrade structural proteins in the skin. The antioxidant components present in these oils, such as tocopherols and polyphenol, play a dual role by neutralizing free radicals and protecting fibroblast cells from oxidative stress. This dual action helps preserve the integrity of the skin's internal framework and promotes ongoing regeneration. Improved collagen production also enhances skin elasticity, allowing it to stretch and bounce back more effectively. This is particularly important in preventing the development of deep wrinkles and sagging. Skin with high elasticity maintains its shape and resists the gravitational pull that contributes to drooping features over time. The supportive role of plant oils in enhancing elasticity lies not only in their biochemical properties but also in their ability to maintain hydration and barrier function, both of which are crucial to a supple, resilient skin surface. Topical use of collagen-supporting oils becomes especially beneficial at night, when the skin's metabolic activity is at its peak. During sleep, the skin repairs itself at a cellular level, and the presence of these oils enhances the conditions needed for optimal fibroblast activity and protein synthesis. With regular nighttime application, the skin is gradually nourished, strengthened, and rejuvenated, leading to improved tone, firmness, and overall elasticity that become visibly noticeable over time. As the skin ages, it becomes more prone to chronic, low-grade inflammation, a condition often referred to as inflammaging. This subtle, ongoing inflammation contributes significantly to the degradation of skin quality over time. It accelerates the breakdown of collagen and elastin, compromises the skin's protective barrier, and leads to increased sensitivity, redness, and uneven tone. The causes of this inflammation are multifactorial, including exposure to environmental pollutants, UV radiation, internal hormonal shifts, oxidative stress, and even repeated use of harsh skincare products. Left unaddressed, these inflammatory processes can lead to a visibly aged and compromised complexion. To counteract these effects, natural oils that possess anti-inflammatory and calming properties provide an effective and holistic solution. These oils contain bioactive compounds such as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, phytosterols, flavonoids, and polyphenol. These molecules work synergistically to reduce inflammation at a cellular level by inhibiting the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes that are typically elevated in aging or stressed skin. By interfering with the inflammatory cascade, these oils help to soothe irritation, reduce redness, and create a more balanced skin environment that is conducive to healing and renewal. Among the most well-known oils for their anti-inflammatory benefits are calendula oil, chamomile oil, evening primrose oil, and blue tansy oil. These oils have a long history of use in calming skin conditions such as eczema, rosacea, and dermatitis. They not only alleviate visible signs of irritation, but also act beneath the surface to regulate immune responses and repair damaged tissue. This makes them particularly effective for aging skin, which often exhibits increased reactivity and slower healing responses. The fatty acid composition of these oils plays a key role in reducing inflammation and supporting skin regeneration. Linoleic acid, for example, is an essential omega-6 fatty acid found in many plant oils that strengthens the skin barrier, allowing it to retain moisture and resist environmental stress. At the same time, gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, found in oils such as borage and evening primrose, exerts a direct anti-inflammatory effect by modulating prostaglandin production and improving skin texture and tone. The soothing action of these oils is also complemented by their antioxidant content. Antioxidants such as vitamin E, carotenoids, and plant polyphenol help to neutralize reactive oxygen species that trigger and sustain inflammation. This combined antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity helps to break the cycle of oxidative stress and tissue damage, leading to healthier, calmer, and more even-toned skin over time. Topical application of these calming oils at night enhances their effectiveness, as the skin's natural repair mechanisms are most active during rest. With the skin more permeable and receptive, the oils penetrate deeper, delivering their anti-inflammatory and soothing compounds directly where they are needed most. With continued use, the visible signs of irritation, such as blotchiness, rough patches, and sensitivity, are significantly reduced. This results in a smoother, more luminous complexion and improved overall skin health that reflects vitality and resilience. Not all oils are created equal when it comes to skin care, and choosing the right formulation is crucial for achieving benefits without causing unwanted side effects. One of the most important qualities in a topical oil is its comedogenic rating, an indicator of how likely it is to clog pores. Oils that are non-comedogenic have a lower likelihood of causing breakouts, blackheads, or congestion, making them suitable even for individuals with sensitive, oily, or acne-prone skin. This distinction is especially important when applying products at night, a time when the skin is more absorbent and susceptible to both nourishment and irritation. Non-comedogenic oils typically have a lightweight texture and a balanced ratio of fatty acids, particularly a high content of linoleic acid, which has been associated with clearer skin. People with acne-prone or oily skin often have lower levels of linoleic acid in their sebum, which contributes to thicker, more pore-clogging oil production. Applying oils high in linoleic acid, such as rosehip seed oil, grapeseed oil, and hemp seed oil, can help restore this balance, leading to improved texture, reduced breakouts, and a healthier appearance over time. Equally important is the skin compatibility of these oils. Skin-compatible oils closely resemble the skin's natural lipids and can integrate smoothly into the epidermal barrier. Jojoba oil, for instance, has a molecular structure very similar to human sebum, allowing it to hydrate and protect without disrupting the skin's natural balance. Because it mimics the body's own oil, it can help regulate sebum production, making it particularly beneficial for combination skin types that may be both dry and oily in different areas. The best formulations also undergo minimal processing to retain their bioactive compounds. Cold-pressed, unrefined oils preserve a higher concentration of vitamins, antioxidants, and phytosterols, all of which contribute to the oil's effectiveness without adding synthetic or irritating substances. These formulations are often free from added fragrances, parabens, or fillers that can cause sensitivity, making them ideal for even the most reactive skin types. When applied consistently in the evening, they deliver nutrients directly into the skin while minimizing the risk of inflammation, breakouts, or barrier disruption. Another benefit of non-comedogenic, skin-compatible oils is their role in enhancing the skin's natural healing process. They provide a breathable layer that locks in moisture without suffocating the pores, allowing the skin to regenerate overnight without interruption. This is especially valuable for individuals experiencing dryness, fine lines, or dullness, as these conditions can be improved without introducing the risks associated with heavier, occlusive creams or synthetics. The nighttime application of these oils is particularly advantageous due to the increased permeability of the skin during sleep. With the skin more receptive to active ingredients, these lightweight, non-clogging formulations are able to penetrate more deeply and deliver nourishment directly where it is needed. Over time, this results in clearer, more balanced, and healthier skin, achieved through a gentle natural approach that supports the skin's own biology rather than working against it.